Hello guys! Heading to airport nga si Nance.
Now Marcos Junior, I don't know lah what is it. The world actually everywhere the leadership is zero. Joe Biden, US, useless bum, can't even walk, can't even talk. Malaysia all pro-Islam. Indonesia now new president. Oh, lama. You look at Ukraine. The Zelensky is a wrong prime minister. He's a wrong president. He make the country go into war. Any smart person, you cannot find war with Russia. Russia is too big.
Russia is too big country.
Why you want to fight with them?
Yeah lah.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
If I'm the president, I will use my brain and think. Now the whole country destroyed. And then he fly here, fly there, aircon, sit down, makan, drink every day, very comfortable. But the people suffering. See the Russia President Putin, he's a
Okay.
mad person. You understand? No? He's a mad guy.
How
He's got
come?
mental problem.
Is it?
He don't care. You want to fight? You send
He
guy
don't bother.
You got so many soldiers, just go there and kill.
Oh my
Guy, you don't care. Not he fighting. The olden days, the king have to fight. That's the real way. You sit down aircon office, you just order people only. Who cannot do that?
Pag ganito yung driver ng Grab, yung kwento ng kwento, hindi mo mamalayan, nakarating ka na pala sa pupuntahan mo kasi dami niyang kwento. Malapit na ako sa Terminal 4 guys. Anyway, mega love shout out to all my teammates, especially to loyal team, to admin Ronel Kalalabs. Shout out to all my
Your flight what time?
6:30.
30 can lah. Can make it. Check in now. Go in, relax. You're taking what?
Cebu.
Cebu Air.
Yes.
Oh, land in Manila lah.
Because direct flight to my hometown.
Wow, very good ah.
That's why only Cebu Pacific only can go to my
Yeah, I know.
hometown. That's why I take Cebu Pacific.
Philippine pilot very good. My first time at I go Clark,
Clark.
the pilot land the plane in the typhoon. No? 3 times. That means come touchdown, fly up again. Touchdown. Behind the people praying and cry, everything, screaming. The plane so scary. No? That time he forced through the typhoon and land the plane.
Oh my God.
Very scary. You think you're going to die. If that one Singapore pilot mati.
If Singapore pilot.
Yeah, you die already. Because Singapore pilot all no experience one. All
Is it?
just every day on the simulator. Good pilot means very good experience in the bad weather, everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Like you see Middle East, the pilot very good.
Very good.
Australia, very good.
American?
American also good. Filipino also good. Indian also good. Because they go through bad weather.
Yeah, must go to the bad weather.
All useless one all study the theory again.
Dangerous. Yes, nandito na ako sa airport, guys. Oh my gosh. From 1, yung gate ko nasa gate 16 or 17. Tapos ngayon nasa gate 1 ako. Ang layong-layo. Nasa kaduluduluhan yung aking gate. Ang ganda ng Terminal 4, bagong airport. Ang gaganda dito sa loob. Ang lalawak din.
Tuya-tuya man niya itong lamisa. Okay na? Hi guys, kain na naman kami ng Jollibee. Surprise
Di ko naman akalain na di ko rin inaasahan pa na ang tulad mo ay aking makilala. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alinlangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Lagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso ko nito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Nais ko'y laging kapiling ka, ayoko nang muling nag-iisa. Pag nandyan ka na, sa piling ko okay saya. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alinlangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Lagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso ko nito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal.
Pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba. Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nagbabalisa. Pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, di ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko, ay kalimutan. Hanggang ngayon, kumakayanan. Ikaw ang laman, puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Di ako matulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw sila, ikaw ang dahilan.
That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.